Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you a new P2P system that you can use to make money for yourself. So I guess every one of you have heard about Bybit. If you've not heard about Bybit, use the link on the description box of this video and sign up on Bybit. Now Bybit also have some rare coins that you don't just get to see anywhere. You get to see it on Bybit. Now Bybit has a P2P market that works very well, especially for Nigeria. So on this P2P market, let's see, if you can buy crypto, you see the P2P market. You see on the Bybit P2P market, they have different currencies. These are the currencies you can see. So it's not just restricted by, you can see the GHS, there's a currency there. And one thing that you can check for yourself is that if you go right here on the Binance app, you can always compare the prices and make money for yourself. Okay, so let's check the Binance app and check some of the comparison of the currencies and check if the prices are the same. Okay, so let me see. So these are the currencies. Here, guys. You can see. So let's try checking GHS. Remember, I've showed you apps that accept GHS. I've showed you these ones. I've shown you CoinCola. I've shown you Dash. I've shown you that's like a BCK, is it BCK or something? Yes, so I've shown you a lot of other platforms. So but this, you can see the buy price of Ghana cedis here is 7.72, and you can come here on Bybit, the buy price is 7.64. so you can see there is an arbitrage opportunity here. If you look at the sell price here, you can see let's say this one does not really work well, and let's just put a figure there. Say, okay, what if you want to sell up? Okay, let's say if you use Momo and all that, let's say 1,000 Ghana cedis, and let's say, okay, that's like 7.74, and you buy at this rate 7.6. Now look at this rate here. Does it differ? That's one of the things you need to look for yourself. Here you can buy up to 10,000 Ghana cedis for 7.72, and you can come here and see this side that is called the sell option. You can see it here. You can also come here, buy here, and go there and sell. Okay, so that's like those of you that are in Ghana, there's an arbitrage opportunity. So you can check all the currencies on Bybit, and you can go on. Let's say we check something like USD, and let's see something that is very common to us. Let's say Skrill, or let's just leave it at Wise or something. Let's just say all. So let's go back to this platform and click on USD as the currency and see if there may be any opportunity. So you can see this USD here, the price is somewhat higher, but you can see people are having lots of USDT here on this platform because platform is growing. It was just launched this year, and you can see the P2P market is growing. You can see, let me see what are the payment method. Let's say should I say ATM or ATM? Okay, ATM. This is for ATM. Now let me go here and also click on ATM. That's like the payment method. I just want to check on ATM also. Okay, so the ATM method, you can see 1.03. You can see that you can find it a much higher. While here is lesser, here is higher. You can see it's lesser, here is higher. You can check also when you want to sell. You can see 1.10. So there's an arbitrage opportunity on this stuff. So you can make money for yourself by just carrying out these arbitrage. So let's check our Naira. Those of you in Nigeria, which other currency do we check? So let me say NRO, like Indian currencies, and see if there's any opportunity here. And let's go on Binance and check Indian currencies and see. Okay, Indian currencies is let's like we'll go here and check. So another thing you need to note is the volume and the transfer fees involved and the two platforms. You can see that I don't think there's, okay, not BNB, I mean USDT. Look at it, 7.98 here, and this platform, it's a bit cheaper. Sorry, let's go. This platform here is a bit cheaper. You can see 7.98. 98. I think there should be a little bit difference. Okay, 9898. Okay, so you can see If you check the sell price for the two side, you can see it's 80 INR. Let's see this side, the sell rate. Okay, let's see the buy rate. Okay, so the buy rate, like people are not willing to buy, but people are willing to sell. Yeah. Okay, so you can come here, maybe buy from here and go on Binance and sell. So your volume determines your profit, and you can make money just by doing this. So I decided to show you these two platforms, Bybit and Binance Arbitrage. You can check it out for yourself. You may not make much money. Let's say you just want to make like $50 daily or $100 daily, or let's say $20 daily. You can be able to do this with their P2P system. Also, if you're in Nigeria, and let's see again, payment methods to bank transfer, change it to Nigeria. Okay, so Nigeria. So look at the two rates. The prices are never going to be the same, but one thing you have to do is that the opportunity is not always going to be there all the time. So you're going to check, let's say go on this platform and see, let's say I check, okay, let's say I check out Nigeria, that's NGN. Okay, so see the buy rate. One of the things we do is to check the buy rate there and the sell rate. So let's all examine the buy rate on this app. The buy rate here is 5888. You can see, but the thing about Binance, that Binance charges transaction fees, and Binance charges you transaction fees. Okay, but this platform doesn't charge you any transaction fees. So you can post ad out in it. So there is actually 1 naira difference, 2 naira difference. Yeah. So let's check this auto platform. Yeah. So one of the things we have to do, you have to set the amount so that you can be able to know the actual real price. So let's say I set 100,000. Okay. So let's see, the sell price is 590. Yeah, you can. Then the buy price is 590.23. Okay, let me go here and check set the amount. Can we set the amount here? I don't think this platform has that option. Okay, you can see that this platform is cheaper to buy from, but the thing you're going to ask yourself is the volume. What volume will you have? Like if you do up to $10,000, if you buy up to $10,000 here and send to Binance, will you make profit? And what will be the profit? Like, so if you get 3 naira difference, you times it times $10,000, that's like 3K. And will you still have up to $10,000 again to buy from this platform? Okay, so that's just one of the things. So, but this platform is growing, and you can be able to. Some people have done more than 500 orders. You see, this person have done this volume of orders. Okay, so you can see it for yourself, guys. There's still money in this platform, so you can check out Bybit Arbitrage. So if you don't have a Binance account, Bybit account, check the link of this video and use it to sign up, so you can have the gifts for Bybit and the gift on Binance also, which is like a $10 free gift. Okay, all right, guys, see you on the best side of life. I love you guys. Kindly subscribe to this video. And tell me how you feel about this video, so I can also fund this stuff maybe with 100 USDT and check out for yourself how much we are going to make. If we are going to make at least 100 naira, or if you're in India and you're in these countries, Europe and all the stuff, this arbitrage, you can still test it out. Just test it out and see if it's going to work for yourself. Okay, all right guys, so see you on the best side of life. Thank you. I love you guys. Take care.